Hi, and welcome incoming students of the Madison College Cloud Support Associate Degree Program. I'm Kurt Chambers, the program's director and a full-time instructor in the IT department. I'd like to take just a few minutes today to talk about cloud computing, show you a couple of fun things the cloud can do, as well as talk about some of the classes you'll be taking as part of the program. In addition, you'll find my contact information as well as the information for Kathy Malin, another full-time instructor here in the program. Let's get started.
So what on earth is cloud computing anyhow? You're probably already a user of cloud services whether you realized it or not. Do you have a Dropbox account? Do you store things in Microsoft OneDrive? Do you post to Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook? All of those are cloud-provided services. Simply put, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Those services can include computing power, storage, databases, and a whole lot more. Let's take a look at a typical example. For our demo today, I've gone ahead and logged into my Amazon AWS account. Amazon AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is just one of the cloud providers that we work with here in the program. Let's launch a small Linux-based web server. To start with, we'll click on the blue Launch Instance button in the AWS console. Next, we'll choose the operating system. Let's go with Amazon Linux 2. Up next, we'll actually need to provision the size of our server. We'll choose one of the pre-built T2 micros. It'll give us a single CPU and a gigabyte of memory, which will be plenty for our demo website. Next up, networking information. We'll take the defaults for the example now, but we're going to preload our website into the user data field. This will greatly speed up actually provisioning a small, simple welcome page. Next, I'll click on the Review and Launch button and launch the server. And a few seconds later, our server is up and running. I've gone back to a list of all the servers I currently have in my AWS account. The one that doesn't have a name associated with it here in the middle is the one we just launched. I'll fix that now by clicking the pencil icon and giving it a name. Let's call it Wolfie after the school's mascot. And the name is complete. Down below is a bunch of interesting information, including the DNS entry for the new server. We'll copy that out, open a new browser tab, paste it in there, and let's see if our web server is up and running. Bingo! Hello from the Madison College Cloud program. That's just a simple example of how quickly I can get a worldwide accessible web server up and running in AWS. The number of cloud services offered by Amazon AWS and all of the cloud providers is extensive. This scrolling list just gives you an example of a number of these services. Next, let's go take a look at some of the classes you'll be taking and the order in which you should probably take them. To see the complete list of classes in the Cloud Support Associate Degree Program, start by going to the madisoncollege.edu homepage. In the search box, simply type Cloud. That first result that comes up is a direct link to the IT Cloud Support Associate landing page. On the landing page, choose the Curriculum tab. Underneath that tab, you'll see a complete list of the courses from first semester through fourth. If you're going to be going part-time in our program, I would suggest you focus on 3 classes initially: Exploration of Information Technology, Intro to Cisco Networking, and Enterprise Client. If you have questions about these classes or any of the classes in the Cloud Support program, please reach out to either myself or Kathy Malin. Our contact information is here. Thanks all, and have a great day.